Welcome back, everybody. Here's a video where I'm going to show you how to reset your browser. While we have talked to you about the virus-proof properties of our virus-proof computers, our Linux Ubuntu, your browser home pages, extensions, those kind of things could be altered by programs. So if that does happen, I've seen that happen one time. So I thought I'd make a video for you on it. Some of the things that will happen is your home page could be changed. Very common. Most software, a lot of companies want to be on your home page. That way they can feed you ads. Your search engine could be changed. That way they can direct you to sites that they prefer, they have agreements with to make money. And also you could have add-ons, toolbars, those kind of things. Now the difference here is that they cannot install in the operating system. All those softwares are designed for Windows, but they could alter your experience. So I'm going to show you here if that happens how to change it. So here, this is our home page, which is PC911. But let's say, for example, you had Google Chrome as your home page, or MSN, or Facebook, or what have you. You see that that's changed on you. Also up here in the right, you're going to see like a little C. That's basically an extension that I've installed. I installed a couple of extensions so you can actually see. And then I changed my my search to AOL search. So bottom line is, you go up here to the top right, which is your menu, the three little bars, and you go to settings. I'm going to show you where all these are, but the easiest thing is just to reset the whole thing. So I'm going to go through these. If you go this first section here on startup, this asks you what do you want to do when the browser opens. Typically what will happen is it'll go to open specific pages, and when you click here on set pages, that's where the page will be. So the hijacker will just rewrite that and put their own page there. So if you do have a preference, you can just knock that one out, write your new one. So that's one option, or you can just click the new page tab, which is the default. A couple other things here. I do like to have the home page button linked, and the bookmarks bar I also like as well. Then you go here to search, and you'll see AOL is the default search, and if you click here manage search engines, it'll show you all the search engines. You'll see here AOL default. So typically in this case scenario, we're going to have Google as the default. So you see when you highlight it, you get a little make default right here. Just click on that, and really what I like to do is I just delete the others. If you highlight over here all the way to the right, you'll see the X, delete. I'll usually leave Google, Yahoo, and Bing, but if you're not going to use those, remove them. But on customer computers, those are the three primary, so I just leave those. So that's done there. Then if you go over here towards the left, you'll see extensions. And here is where a lot of these things hide out as well. So these I added on myself. So I mean, I wouldn't just disable them. I would just delete or remove, and remove. Yes, we uninstalled. No feedback. And this is Google Docs. If you use Google Docs, I mean, you can leave them or delete them, but that's really not going to give you any trouble. That pretty much cleans up your browser. Now what I was going to show you as well, if you don't want to go through all that, you can go down here all the way down to advanced settings, and then go all the way down and just go reset, and that'll basically reset everything to a default. It'll stay with the new home page. The search engine is going to go defaulted. I mean, see how it added these two? Because that is the default for Chrome, but it's always going to put itself as the default there. And then the extensions are gone. Actually, the extensions, you may want to take a look at them, because since they're not malicious extensions, they may not be removed. So pretty much here you got the simple way. We said it was just reset everything. That should take you back to normal. Just reviewing, reset should take you back to normal. If you're not going to do the reset, take a look at your startup. Either open the new page tab or set your pages and just type in there the page that you want. go to your search engines. Make sure all the stuff that looks funky that you don't want, just get rid of it. If most people just use Google anyway, so you can get rid of them all. And then you click on extensions. Anything there you're not using, hit the little garbage can and delete. So that's the way to keep your browser clean and safe browsing and happy browsing. See you in the next video.